You don't know, you know. I'm a lady and the first lady of reggae dancehall, and me I bring to you and you and you. What me say? Jamaica from the outside. A Jamaica from the outside. And I'm a lady and the first lady of reggae dancehall. I endorse it. I always say to them, one out of a many connection. One out of a many connection. I'm me proud to be a Jamaican. But me say all of we barriers, them are broke down. All of we barriers, them are broke down. We are one united Jamaican. And me love the symbol of my nation. The Aki and the coat of arm. The Dr. Birds and the Lincoln Variety. Hail Jamana, it has spice up the country. Repeat again, it has spice up the country. Hey, 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 one out of a many Jamaica. One.
Hey guys, so I'm passing by US 1792 on Parker Road, and I saw the Jamaican flag, so I said, let me pull over, and you're not gonna believe what it is. It's a Jamaican, and you see from his shirt, it says Shane Jerk. Hi Shane.
How are you?
I'm pretty good. Just passing, and I said, let me stop and see what you have here.
Okay.
So you're selling
Right.
Jamaican food?
Jamaican food too.
Okay.
Okay. We do stir-fry cabbage, as you know, in Jamaica. We do stir-fry cabbage.
Yes.
Okay. We do festivals and sweet
Okay.
planting. And we do rice and peas in Jamaica style with coconut milk and
Alright.
scallion and Scotch bonnet pepper.
Right.
And we have curry chicken, Jamaican
Wow.
style.
Okay.
Okay, and we have the escovitch fish in Jamaican style.
Yes.
With pepper and carrot and onion.
All right.
And we have the oxtail.
Okay.
Oxtail in Jamaican style, just the
Nice.
same.
Nice.
Right. And over the other side we have jerk chicken. So you're going to come around.
Okay. Oh, lovely. Lovely, lovely.
Jerk chicken right there.
Yes. And how long has this been your little spot, Shane?
7 months.
Oh, okay, okay. And how you find the business here?
It's good.
Yes, yes.
Because when I just moved here in last year, August, I said, hey, I need this spot. So I leased this spot.
Okay,
Yeah, this rented spot.
okay.
My food truck anyway, one fat frog bill in my food truck. They said I get it 20th of August.
August,
So it will be
okay.
right here.
Nice,
Right. But
nice.
it's going on pretty good right here.
Yes, so you're just stepping up.
Right.
You're stepping up, yes,
good.
yes. And how you find the support for your business,
Good,
Shane?
100%.
Good, good.
100%.
People passing and
Man, because
people,
I
yeah.
take out that pot of rice every morning and it gone by 2, 3.
Oh my
Everything.
goodness.
By 2, 3, everything gone right now.
Whoa, whoa.
Right.
That's good.
Right through the week.
That's
and
good.
here 7 days of the time here.
Oh, 7 days a week?
7 days a week.
Okay, okay. So, where do you get your ingredients, Shane? Like the scallion and the peppers and all
I
of
go by
that?
restaurant depot.
Okay.
I go by President. Sometimes I go to Palm Beach.
Okay.
I go to In City.
Yes.
A Mexican store.
Yes.
And that's where I get all some of my meat and stuff.
Okay. How you find the flavors compared to the ones we have in Jamaica?
Well, our Jamaican scallion is more better, more flavor. Like you know, our red scallion in Jamaica, we have more flavor.
Yes.
Scotch bonnet pepper, more flavor, as you know, than up here, than these peppers and thymes
Yes.
and stuff.
Yes.
But if you get it from Ireland, we get the right Scotch bonnet pepper, so we get everything straight.
Okay,
That's
okay.
where I go sometime and shop to get the thing with the flavor. And if you get the coconuts straight from Jamaica, dig them out from there, pot them and get it here.
Oh, they allow you to do that?
Yeah, I get them.
So,
When I
okay.
go down there, I bring up a lot. Or if somebody from me go down, we bring up a lot.
And you
That's-
freeze them?
Right, that's how we
Yes,
do them.
yes.
And that's what gives it flavor.
Okay, okay, okay. Because I find there is a difference in the taste
In
when
the
I cook
taste
the
of it,
same
right.
thing. You
Coconut
know,
tastes different, the scallion tastes different, the onion tastes
everything.
different.
Yes, yes.
Everything, coconut milk, even the pack one that they have here. If we get the grace one from Jamaica, then we get it. So I bought some of the Scotch bonnet in the bottle
Yes,
by Restaurant Depot straight from Jamaica.
yes.
Right? You notice over here, this Jamaica hot sauce.
Right.
Right, that's the one I use.
Right.
Because the other one, they don't have the flavor and they
Yes.
don't have the taste and they don't have the spice that our own have in Jamaica.
Right, that's true. That's true. Okay, so Shane, looking at the next few years down the road, you see yourself expanding.
To a restaurant.
Yes. Okay, nice, nice.
That's
I
what
like
about
that.
it. Because this piece of property, the man planning to sell it. So how to put my restaurant right here.
Very good, very good. I like that. I like that. Guys, let's take another look around here. This is Shane little area, well supported, and it's a prime location, as I said, by the intersection of 92 and Parker Road. And you can tell because the flags are there, that tells you exactly what's going on. That is a Jamaica that's on here, you know. So if you're passing in the area on your way tour from Kissimmee, you'll stop by Shane. As he said, in August he's gonna be having a food truck, so he's gonna be leveling up, you know.
Right.
Yes. So yeah, and anything else you want to add, Shane?
And if your food even get cold, I have my microwave right there, my generator. I eat
Oh.
it up. I have my cooler right there with some Jamaican drink. I'm gonna show you the Jamaican drink that we have.
So the microwave is powered by the generator, guys.
Right.
That's
And
good.
this is
And
the
this-
Jamaica cream soda.
Oh, nice.
Jamaica
nice.
ginger beer.
Lovely,
All
lovely.
these orange.
Yes.
Jamaica thing. From
Yes,
Jamaica,
guys.
just the same. So I sell most Jamaican drink I sell. All
That's
product
nice.
is some Jamaican.
Yes, nice, lovely.
Right.
So I'm gonna pass by when you step up, when you get your truck,
Good, I'm
and do
getting it.
another follow up with you
20th
there,
of
Shane.
August, I'm getting it.
20th of August.
Right.
All right. So guys,
Anytime after the 20th. you
okay,
can come by.
awesome. So guys, look out for the other video for Shane when we see Shane in his food truck. All right. So until then, guys, let's say bye to Shane.
Yeah, bye-bye.
All right. Bye, Shane. Bye.